Hello, my name is Sabrina Klusman and welcome to my digital project management portfolio. As you explore, you will discover that I have structured this portfolio to reveal how I approach project management in areas such as time management and project reporting. However, I don't believe that you can really see what somebody is like just from a two-dimensional view in a portfolio. So I wanted to take some time to share with you a little bit more about myself. I'm going to start by sharing about my K-12 why. I joined K-12 8 years ago in 2011 as a K-5 teacher in Florida under IST. I had little ones at the time and they were really sick a lot, and I used a lot of my sick time to be home with them. So I wanted a career that I could put them first but also find meaning in my work. So over my 8 years at K-12, I have completed projects ranging from planning events to creating tracking systems and to the development of an integrated program for National Club training. In my mind, the perspective of a project manager, it's different from most positions in that it requires you to have a love of the details as well as a strong vision for the bigger picture. And I believe that I have that perspective. I also really enjoy planning. It's often the most time-consuming part of the project, but I enjoy it to the point that it's somewhat comical. I discovered this during my first years of teaching when I actually enjoyed creating the lessons more than I enjoyed teaching the lessons. So finally, I think that I'm a highly qualified candidate, but I also want to communicate that I'm looking for a team that is not risk averse. I like to avoid making mistakes as much as the next person, but I believe that the great things we can do in life and in business happen in teams that are willing to take risks. When you take risks, you make mistakes. I can promise you that I will make mistakes, but more importantly, I will only make those mistakes once, and I will learn from those mistakes and arise from the problem bigger and better. I want to share a little bit about my personality because those are important when you come to developing teams. I am an INFJ. And so the way that breaks down is I'm introverted. I like people a lot, but I'm more comfortable behind the scenes and working one-on-one with small groups. I use intuition to drive my decisions. I'm creative, idealistic, and love to see how everything connects. I'm also very meaning driven in that I want my work to be meaningful, and I enjoy learning and growing in that ability daily. I make decisions based on my ethical values, so that's the feeling, the F part of it, and I try to consider how my actions affect others. I think this is the part of me that makes me the best leader I can be because I'm empathetic, I'm a servant leader, and I strive to find the best in people. And last, the judging means that I'm organized and dependable, and I absolutely love routine. I thrive off of them. So thank you so much for allowing me to share my digital project management portfolio with you, and I look forward to meeting you and speaking with you further. Have a great day.